Good morning, my friend. How are you? I hope everybody doing fine. Today I'm going to share with you how to install WC in your bathrooms. So please follow the step. You will understand everything from A to Z. First of all, we need to make two holes on the floor. These two holes, we will fix the WC bracket on it and tied it perfectly. So we will make two holes on the floor by using the heat drill. After making two holes, we need to fix the two bracket of WC. We will fix them properly. These two holders make the WC sit on the floor without moving left or right. So we will fix them nut and bolts by using the spanner, as you see in the picture. So after that, we will measure the distance between the wall and the two bracket. Should be all the measurements should be this in the same. So after that, we'll test by taking the WC to see how it is. Now we are going to measure the distance between the WC and the flush tank pipe. The same measurement should be accurate to make the WC in proper way. So we insert this connector pipe of the flush tank inside. Then we will measure same distance. The extra pipe should be cut in. So now we have the measurement already. So we will make mark on the pipe and take it out and cut the extra. After that, we will insert it inside of the flush tank. So now we will remove the cloth from the connector of the WC. Why we use the cloth? Because there is the U-trap is empty from water, so the air vents, or I mean the negative air, is a very bad smell. It's smelly, so that's why we put the cloth. Now we need to fix the connector. So this connector is like a magic pipe. It has extra ring, so it's flexible. You can pull it to fix it properly on the U-trap of WC. So in this time, may you need another person with you to help you to lift up the WC. And one will lift up the WC, the second we need to connect the connector. Once the connector is connected with the U-trap WC, it will be no leaking or no leakage. Now, as you see in the video, we will connect this flush tank and connector of the WC all together in parallel, and we will push the WC toward the wall. After fixing the WC, we need to fix the two screws, one on the left, one on the right. Now we are trying the flush tank to test if there is any leakage or anything abnormal. So thanks God, there is no leakage. Now the speed level should be on the right. After that, we will fix the two screws on the left of the WC and the right. We will fix these two screws toward the bracket that we made early. We will flush again, this one only for test, to make sure there is no leakage. First time the water is coming like rusty because of the flush tank is not used and all the pipe is still new, so it may be some rust on the tank. So after flushing once, twice, thrice, the water will becoming clear. Now time to fix the WC seat cover. We will open the accessory and put nut and bolt on the same hole that in the. So we'll fix these two bolts, nut and bolt, properly and tie them by using the screwdriver. After that, we will get the seat cover and insert it on parallel with these two bolts. It will be some adjustment because these two holes should be in parallel with the hole that in the seat cover. So you will do some adjustment and tie the screw. Now we'll put the cover to hold the screw and insert the seat cover properly. Okay, now let's test.
Finish, then I go.
Yes, now is okay.
How many times you need?
We'll open, and the seat cover is automatic closing, self closing. It has spring inside the seat cover. it will be slowly closing as you see in the video.
I take vaccine today.
Please like the video and share with your friends and subscribe on our channel. Now time to fix the flash tank push button. As you see, we'll take this accessory of the flash tank and fix them properly. We'll put these two nozzles inside. This one for the using extra water, and only for using small water. One for little, one for much more water. After that, we take the cover and insert it from down to up. Now let's try. Thanks God, now flash tank is working.